Yo, get on your knees, bitch.
What would you have me do, friend?
Well, I want to make a mess in your mouth.
Just to warn you, I do tend to spit.
If you do that, I will gut you endlessly until I see the organs coming out of your shaft, you motherfucker.
I will suck your nipples until they bleed.
Oh yeah, jam that hype.
Dude. We are on the train, let's take this outside.
I will swallow your 3-inch knob, Dick Ward.
You're so mean.
Bitch, don't say I'm mean, just get on your knees and gag on my cock.
Okay, I will be full of fishy smells, including your mum's pussy.
Bitch, let's go.